Morning friends, I am Dr. Rajesh Gaikwad, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Swami Vivekanand Senior College Manta, District Jalna. Today I am going to discuss on revised syllabus of BSc second year, third sem, paper number 8. The title of this paper is Plant Ecology. This paper having 3 units. The unit first is focus on plant and environment, which contains 3 bits. The first bit of this syllabus is given on light and ecological factor, global radiation, and phytosynthetically active radiations. Second bit is on temperature as an ecological factor, and third one is on water as an ecological factor. Physico-chemical properties of water. The second bit of this syllabus is focus on edaphic factors, which having soil formation. In soil formation, soil profile, physico-chemical properties of soil, major soil types of India, soil erosion, and soil conservation is need to be discussed. Unit 2 is focus on the response of plants to water, which contains the morphological, physiological, and anatomical response of hydrophytes, xerophytes, halophytes, and epiphyte to water. The second bit of Unit 2 is given on phytogeographical region of India and vegetation types of India. Unit 3 is focus on community ecology, which is given on community characteristics, frequency, density, life forms, and biological spectrum. The last bit of this Unit 2 is ecosystem, in which biotic and abiotic components of ecosystems, food chain, food web, ecological pyramids, energy flow, and the biogeochemical cycle. The first biogeochemical cycle is the nitrogen cycle, and second biogeochemical cycle is phosphorus cycle. This is overall syllabus for BSc second year plant ecology paper. In future, we will discuss in detail. This is overall the syllabus of plant ecology. Thank you for watching this video.